This video shows how to use the built-in test mode for the EasyLights controller to test your pixels. Now, this same process will also work on AC controllers. It's just in the regular resting mode. We're going to hit the reset button. It's going to show LED test on the screen, and right after it completes that, we're going to press the right button. This may differ if your controller is an AC controller. It says test mode. It's going to count down, and in this particular case, we're testing pixels. And now it's booted up. Now, this test mode will vary depending upon whether you have an AC or pixel controller. Now, currently it's in the RGBW black. So that's red, green, blue, white, black. So this is a good way to test pixels because it's testing each one, including black, which allows us to find bad pixels. So we can simply press the down button. We can see that it says static red, static green, static blue, static white, and static black. That's just data being going to the pixels, but there's nothing actually happening. And so you can scroll through those. So this is a great way to test pixels and isolate if a problem is with the controller or with the pixels.